That's all lichen that won't come off. All this has been done. All this is done, both sides all over again. I'll show you what's been happening. I kind of want to show you. All right, see up in here, all that orange, that's all tannic staining. I don't want to drive down in here this way. So all these were absolutely 100% spotless, right? And some of them still are, right? They look good. There's some dirt here and there, but there's just a lot of like tannic staining in here. And they're gonna have to understand that all these oak trees, that's gonna be a constant problem for them. You can see like all this was all done, but all that's hammered now. Even the gutters are hammered. I didn't spray in the cul-de-sacs. I've got too many people with stink eye. You know, they don't want to. I guess here I'll record here. It's just the other side of the street. So I'm just showing you. I resprayed the whole entire thing. There's some puddle of bleach. And I resprayed that dirt coming down off the side. Here's more dirt coming down off the side. You know, I sprayed the whole thing. That's all rust. This is all rust. Just showing you the whole entire way. All rust on both sides. Clubhouse is behind me. This is all dirt. It's just in the gutter, resting in the gutter. That's lichen that's dead. This is all lichen and dirt that's like nothing existent. Both sides are clean. I went ahead and I shot everything all over again, like I was telling you, both sides, all the way around. So it's all been done. I'm on my way out. That's why I'm going fast. I'm going 25 miles an hour, actually. Actually, I'm going 15. So anyway, just showing you, I didn't do around the guard shack or any of that crap. I hate this bump. But yeah, so it's just a lot of staining. There's a lot of rust. Stuff that we don't need to take care of.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey, we call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida. Pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof, concrete, and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.